In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and install a Better Discord theme using the BD Editor. Start by opening your browser and heading to bdeditor.dev. This is the visual theme editor that will help you design and preview your theme in real time. On the homepage, click Create New Theme. This sets up a clean workspace and a live Discord preview on the right so you can see your changes as you make them. At the top panel, fill in your theme information. Enter a clear theme name you'll recognize later inside Better Discord. Add an author name, which can be your handle. Provide a version number so you can keep track of updates, and write a short, helpful description that explains what the theme is about. All of this information will appear inside Discord's theme list, making it easier to identify and manage your theme. Now customize your colors. In the color variables section, adjust your background colors, primary, secondary, and tertiary, to define the overall layers of the interface. Set your text colors for normal and muted text. Aim for strong contrast so messages and labels stay readable. Choose an accent or brand color that ties everything together, since this will show up in links, mentions, and interactive elements. Tweak buttons and highlights so hover states and active elements are easy to spot. Every change applies instantly in the preview, which makes it easy to experiment and dial in your palette. Use the live Discord preview to test your choices. Click through servers, channels, and DMs to see how your colors behave in different contexts. Check message lists, member panes, and settings panels. If anything is hard to read, adjust the relevant variable until it looks right. Consistency and legibility are key. When you're happy with the design, export your theme. Click Export, then choose Download PONT-theme.css. The editor will generate a .theme.css file. This is the file you'll install in Discord. Save it somewhere easy to find. Next, install the theme in Better Discord. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then find the Better Discord section and click Themes. Click Open Themes folder to launch your file explorer. Move or drag your theme CSS file into that folder. Back in Discord, you should see your theme listed. Toggle it on and your custom design will apply immediately. If you need to make changes later, return to the editor, adjust your colors, export again, and replace the file in the themes folder. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your personalized Better Discord look.